Hey your people, it's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we'll test how to get free scripts for Blox Fruits game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any multi-day APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, and then let's click on browse scripts and click on Blox Fruits. Is the first one. And guys, wait for this to load up, and then we will enter our user name or our user ID of our Roblox. So guys, don't worry, because everything we will have to enter here is our username or our user ID and nothing else. I will just enter my username. I will just click connect account and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you should get this account confirmation. So if it's you, just click yes, connect. That's pretty much it. It's connected, and now we'll have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use scripts. But don't worry guys, because we can do it now and it's one click away from us, literally. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select this. It's like if you have Synapse or KRNL, and if you have no, just select no FEC of default. So just click import newest Delta executor, and guys, you will get these options. Select additional scripts to install. So I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna. These 4 scripts, and just click continue. It will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more and I will review more websites. So look at this, API is connected, our 4 scripts selected already, and our activation key is there as well. So guys, now I will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click there guys, and let's see. Nice, thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID and our key is connected. Let's go guys. Now we will open our Roblox and our Blox Fruits game. So we make sure that it actually works, right? Let's click play. And let's see, is it actually working or no? Let's test. So let's wait for this loading screen. Okay, guys, look at this. We're receiving our Delta. Nice, we got our Delta for free. And let's see for our scripts. Nice guys, Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna, just as we selected. Let me select something from these guys, and let's open Nikius, for example, right? Let's click execute guys, and it will start loading our scripts. Guys, look at this, it will get all activated. Look at this, we got these scripts for free. Now we can do literally whatever we like. We can click farm, and guys, it will start automatically farming. Look at this, just automatically. And you can click on this and also find more scripts, like go there and search for it, like Blox Fruits. You can guys find a lot of good scripts there. Let me see. No, oops. And you can also test Forge Hub and all those scripts selected. Guys, look at this, I am already literally maxed up. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working one. Guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial and review in the same time. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.